Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Samsul Samizan bin Muhammad Nasuha, with matric number of 64968. Today I will be presenting my final year project with the title of Application of Azimuthal Design in Improving the Oil Palm Fruit Cutter Machine. For the final year project, I am under supervision of Dr. Elvina binti Junaidi. This is my presentation outline, which is including the research motivation and background study, research objective, literature review, methodology, and estimated result. For the first outline, which is research motivation and background study, I will talk about the industry of palm oil in Malaysia and the difference between palm oil and palm kernel oil. According to the Malaysian Palm Oil Council 2011, Malaysia accounts for 25.8% and 34.3% of global palm oil production and export in 2020 respectively. And if other oils and fats produced in the country were included, Malaysia accounts for 9.1% and 19.7% of global total production and export for oil and fats in the same years. According to the MPOB 2011 information source, the planted area of palm oil has been increased at the rapid pace since 1960. In 2007, the area of palm oil planted has been increasing from 1.5 million hectares in 1980 to 4.3 million hectares. This has made Malaysia as one of the important commodity crop, and the industry of palm oil has become as one of the primary industry in Malaysia until it has been made up as the largest share of its agriculture sector. In the oil palm fruit, it will produce two types of oil, which are palm oil and palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil is generally used for non-edible purposes, such as the formulation of soap, cosmetics, and detergent, while palm oil is traditionally used for edible purposes such as cooking, frying, and as a food ingredient. The difference between palm oil and palm kernel oil clearly shows that how important the industry of palm oil in Malaysia. Next, the second outline is research gap and objective. There are four main problems that I found throughout this project. Firstly, the motorized cutter known as Chantas that was introduced by MPOB in 2007 for harvesting purpose has a limit only at 8 meters height. Second, the existing machine of palm oil, which is Chantas, is now limiting only for harvest purpose, which means it is not built in multi-purpose. Third, there was some other major problem which the farmers faced, and the problem was related to the grass cutting in their farm. And lastly, there are some limitations found on the farm, such as the terrains on the farm are not on the same level. The ground of the oil palm tree are covered by dead or dried leaf, and the oil palm trees on the farm are getting taller by years and can reach average at 13 meters height. Based on the problem statement, I found out four research questions, which is: first, can we use the same motor or generator to generate two different functions, which is for harvesting the oil palm fruit and cutting grass? Second, which technique on work relate for two-in-one cutter machine, either backpack technique or shoulder or messenger technique? Next, what types of material that can be used to reduce the weight of the cutter machine if we make it can reach at the maximum height of palm oil? And lastly, what type of design can be designed to solve the problem of the tight arrangement and a restrict area of the palm fronds, and the problem of the little room for the instrument to be put? There are four research objectives in this project, which is to develop a practical way on collecting the oil palm fruit and to validate the design of the new cutter machine, to redesign the current oil palm fruit cutter machine to overcome the problem of limited height of reach while cutting, to design and fabricate a tools which integrates both harvesting and oil palm fruit and grass cutter machine, and to conceptual design the palm oil fruit multifunction tools via the Azimuthal design process. For the research gap, I found out that there are two main research gaps, which is: first, there are not many studies which have been done on the multi-purpose tool which could be utilized in an agriculture activity. And second, most of the previous research are focused either on the oil palm fruit cutting machine or grass cutter machine, but not both. The third outline is about literature review. In this outline, I will talk about the harvesting tools and cutting grass tools and the axiomatic design method. Before we go to the harvesting tools, I would like to talk about the fact of oil palm. Basically, Aedes guineensis, or commonly known as oil palm, has been used in parts by humans since at least 3000 before Christ, and about 44 countries now use the plant to produce palm oil, according to Sophie and Lenny 2020. According to GAR 2019, oil palm plants are so prolific that every portion of them may be utilized, resulting in no waste. Even the byproducts of palm oil cultivation and processing may be converted into usable goods such as electricity or animal feed, making oil palm one of nature's zero waste crop. Since I will improve the oil palm fruit cutter machine to be 2-in-1 machine, so first and foremost we need to know the existing machine that have been produced. There are 4 common machines that been produced for harvesting and cutting grass. Firstly, the oil palm fruit harvesting sickles. According to Greenhill 2021, the oil palm fruit harvesting sickle is composed of high-grade steel, forged to shape, heat-treated, and honed by experienced artisans to provide a fine cutting edge. Second, the oil palm fruit harvesting chisel. According to Greenhill 2021, the oil palm fruit harvesting chisel is composed of high-grade steel, forged to form, heat-treated, and sharp. Third, Chantas motorized cutter machine, which is developed by MPOB for harvesting the oil palm fruit purpose. And lastly, brush cutter or a string trimmer for grass cutter. Both machine, a grass trimmer and a brush cutter, serve the same goals, but different in cutting material. There are some pros and cons about the modern existing tools, which is motorized cutter for harvesting and cutting grass machine. For the pros of motorized cutter, there are 5 pros, which is good cutter for cutting the front, good cutter for cutting the fruit bunch, reducing the amount of labor required, lowering production costs and increasing work productivity. For the cons, the motorized cutter has a problem to cut the front and bunch stalk as it is tough to cut. The motorized cutter also has a problem at reaching the height of the palm tree as it has a limit height, and it has a problem regarding to the tight arrangement and a restrict area. For the next machine is cutting grass. Cutting grass machine consists of 2 types, which is string trimmer and brush cutter. For the pros of the trimmer, first, lightweight and simple to use in general. Second, can be used to access hard to reach area and as a grass agger. And lastly, various sorts of power source are available for economic efficiency. While for the brush cutter, first, various applications with various blade attachment. Second, capable of cutting shrub and small tree, and lastly, capable of getting into difficult to reach location. For the cons, for string trimmer there are only have 3 cons, while brush cutter has 6 cons. Based on the comparison, I would like to combine the string trimmer machine design and the motorized cutter for harvesting to be in one design. So, for the design method for the new concept of 2-in-1 cutter machine, I would like to use the concept of axiomatic design. Axiomatic design is a systematic method for designing complex systems which is by definition of hierarchical. One of the main tenets of axiomatic design holds that everything in design is. According to Efren 2012, in axiomatic design, if one domain reflects what we want to achieve, the next domain indicates how to do it, and it is also an interactive process. The purpose I use the method is because axiomatic design, which was developed by Dr. N. Piso, is considered as a particularly effective method in systematically analyzing a problem. Other than that, according to Schroecker and Okuden 2008, axiomatic design process involves the splitting of a design problem in the functional domain into distinct function requirement, which is FR, and then mapping in zigzagging them into design parameter in the physical domain. So, comparing with trees, axiomatic design is capable of analyzing the effectiveness of solution in terms of satisfying its 2 axioms. In axiomatic design, there is 2 concepts that I have to focus on, which is the domains and hierarchy and zigzagging. Domain is consisting of 4 concepts, which is customer domain, functional domain, physical domain, and process domain. In concept of hierarchy and zigzagging, zigzagging is called as elerator between the functional domain and physical domain, and from a broad to a specific definition based on Botsaris 2008. So, the process of domain decomposition and zigzagging create a hierarchy of functional requirement, design parameter, and process variable that serve as a representation of the design architecture. Here are the illustrations of zigzagging and hierarchy concept. For each level of the design hierarchy, the relation between the FRs and DPs can be written in the form of a design equation, where A is product design and B is process design. 3 types of design will exist depending on the type of result obtained from design matrix, which is A, which is uncoupled, decoupled, and coupled. For the next outline is methodology. In this outline, I come up with the research methodology, which is about the flowchart of methodology, recognition of needs, product design specification, functional requirement, conceptualization, concept development, embodiment design, and detail design. For the working flowchart, I starting to conduct a survey at Kampung Parit Haji Abdul Hamid Batu Pahat, Johor, and identify the farmers' problems in maintaining their farm by questionnaire. And then, I gathered the information on the terrain of the farm and the current technology and method used to maintain the farm. After identified problem faced by the farmer in maintaining their farm and conceptual design the 2-in-1 oil palm fruit cutter machine using the Axiomatic design process and SolidWorks software. Next, I will fabricate the 2-in-1 multipurpose tools and test it in a real-life application. This is the overall plan for my final year project, which is summarized in a Gantt chart. For the last outcomes, which is the estimate result, from this final year project, there are 3 estimate results that should be defined, which is first, selection of concept will be produced through axiomatic design and the FR and DP will be illustrated. And second is the design metric of the concept design will be produced and determined. And lastly, the suitable material will be selected based on the final year's conceptual design. That's all from me. Thank you.